Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, welcome back to another beautiful...
Whoa, cut, hey, what is going on? You come here unannounced, you scare my dog, you're buying one of my cars, and now you're stealing my lines.
I know, dude, there's something about me in front of your house, it just felt so right to say that.
It is a beautiful day, you're not wrong.
Anyways, guys, my name's Luke, this is Dave, and y'all know him.
Guys.
We are here to buy one of Stradman's cars.
We have the 2017 Focus RS, and we have the 2012 Lamborghini Aventador. $250,000, $30,000 for this. Which do you guys want?
Tough call. Can we test drive both of them?
Absolutely not. You can drive the Focus. You can buy the Focus.
Okay, we'll take the Focus.
Focus
There it is.
All right, let's check this out. Wow.
Guys, it's super loud.
What is going on? What kind of test drive is this? So you're gonna take it? You gonna buy it?
Did you bring the money?
No.
There's no money.
And I owe you?
Okay, yeah, that'll work. No, I'm good with that. I trust you guys. Yeah, absolutely.
All right, dude. Rock, paper, scissors gets to do the test drive.
Okay.
Wait,
What?
No. I'll put a number behind my back, 1 or 2. Whoever guesses gets to drive.
Okay, what's your number?
2.
1.
2.
My God.
What happened, dude? Why couldn't you take it?
I tried. I think I was probably in like 5th gear when I floored it though.
You sad of taking your car, dude?
He hates this car so much. He gets like the shaky paw syndrome because it pops so loud. But he's the best floof there ever was, so we bought him a Raptor, a Shelby.
All right, guys, huge shout out to James. Super excited to pick up his car. We're headed back to the shop now to do its first mod. Super excited to dig into it. But first, food.
Now, if you guys are new around here, welcome to the channel. My name is Luke. This is Dave, and y'all know Dave. We are in the beautiful mountains of Utah.
For those that are not familiar with Raceland, we are an aftermarket suspension company that specializes and caters in height adjustment suspension systems. Now, we've just installed our Ultimo Coilover Kit to our new Focus RS, and this gives us the ability to adjust ride height to get it set exactly where we want it to, but it also gives us the ability to smooth out that factory ride quality. For those that are familiar with the RS, super stiff from factory, great for the track, may not be as good for daily driving. Our kit is going to be the best balance of street performance and ride comfort.
All right, guys, do me a huge favor and give this video a like. Scroll down, hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you around to check out what we're gonna do to this car. Now, if we can get 1,000 likes on this video, we will do a coilover giveaway. So if you guys comment below which vehicle you have, we will select a winner to win a full set of coilovers for their vehicle.
Wait, what's this? Drive mode? What does that do?
No, push it.
Normal? Sport? Track? Drift? Guys, this car is ridiculously fun. So like Luke said before, if we can hit 1,000 likes on this video, we will be giving away a coilover kit. So if you see the likes hit 1,000, comment below with your year, make, model, and then we'll pick a lucky individual to get a free kit. So like he said, hit that subscribe button. We will be continuing this build, having more content on that. To stay up to date on that, hit that subscribe button now. We'll catch you later.
I'm sorry.
Way to get off the gas and make my face hit the dash.